Hello everyone, I am Lydia with Solomon Realtors, and thanks for joining me on another video on living and investing in Greece. Today, I'd like us to get a little more technical and take a closer look at all the necessary documentation you will be asked to provide Greek authorities so that your Greek Golden Visa journey is a little more streamlined. Let's dive right in. So what goes into your file? You will be asked to produce a number of official documents that can be technically split into two categories. One is your personal paperwork, so mostly certificates pertaining to the main investor and their family, and the other category is documents in relation to the real estate purchase. Of course, if you work with a real estate agency or an immigration service provider, most of these documents will be compiled by the lawyers that are assigned to your case, as the first thing you will be asked to do is sign over power of attorney. Power of attorney is prepared by a notary public and will be verbally translated to you by a certified translator before you sign it. The signing takes place at the notary public's office. The original POA remains with the notary public, while certified copies stamped on each page are provided to you, your lawyer, and your accountant, that is, if you have one. This document grants broad authority to the lawyer and accountant, including ability to withdraw funds from your bank account. Now let's move on to the documents that go into the main applicant's file. You will need an application form, 4 recent colored type photographs, a certified copy of a valid passport or travel document, and this means the entire booklet, even the blank pages, a fee in the form of an electronic payment voucher, a fee of 16 euros, a certification from an insurance provider confirming coverage of hospitalization and medical expenses, a certification regarding whether the specific property has been used for the issuance of a permanent investor residence permit, recent family status certificate issued by foreign authorities indicating the family relationship, which can range anywhere from a birth certificate or marriage validity certificate to kinship certificates and other country-dependent materials, and last but not least, a notary's certification. Now moving on to the purchase contract. All specific details regarding the payment transaction must be declared under oath by the parties involved before the notary drafting the contract, and must be recorded in the contract. These details include in particular the identification details of the seller, buyer, and any third-party payer, the payment accounts used for debiting the payer and crediting the beneficiary, the method of payment of the agreed price, a sworn statement from the buyer regarding their marital status or any relationship with a third-party payer, the existence of any dissolving condition, and whether the seller has used the specific property for the issuance of a permanent investor residence permit. You should also provide confirmation of the absence of any encumbrances on the property. So that means you will need proof of registration of the contract from the competent land registry and a certificate from the land registry or cadastral office confirming the absence of encumbrances. Encumbrances on real estate refer to legal claims or restrictions that can impact an owner's ability to use, transfer, or sell a property. These may include unsettled loans, unpaid taxes, or pending lawsuits. And that is all for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you on our next video on living and investing in Greece. Goodbye.